Hey guys, ready to get your phone on the network without a contract? This year, Verizon has moved to a digital first activation process. And today we're going through the 3 ways to activate your physical SIM card online by phone or directly on your device so you can start calling and texting. If you bought a Verizon prepaid phone, the SIM is likely already inside. Just power the phone and connect to Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen prompt and select New Customer, and the device will automatically detect your SIM ID. You'll be asked to choose a plan and enter your zip code to get a local number. Once you confirm your payment, just restart your phone and wait for 15 minutes for that 5G pass to appear. If you're bringing your own phone, go to the verizon.com/activate or use the My Verizon app. Then you'll need your IMEI number. You can dial star #06 hashtag to find it, and the 20-digit SIM ID on your card. Then the website allows you to just scan the SIM barcode with your camera, follow the steps to set your account security code, and pay for your first month. This is the best method to ensure your phone is fully compatible with Verizon's latest network bands. No internet access? No problem. You can just call 866-893-7723, and you'll need that 20-digit SIM ID and your 5-digit zip code. The automated system will ask for a Verizon refill PIN or a credit card. If you're using a refill card, ensure that the value covers your entire plan cost plus any local taxes, or the activation will stay in pending status. And then after the system confirms success, you just insert the SIM and just perform a test call. You can do that with hashtag 832 number. And that's it. This is how you join Verizon. If this helped you out to connect, guys, like and subscribe.